Hello beer lovers, Mike the Upside Down Beer Guy. On today's edition of the Upside Down Beer Guy, I'm going to be reviewing Rolling Thunder 2025. It's a barrel-aged imperial stout. It's made by Rouge Ales. They're located in Newport, Oregon. It comes with an ABV of 13.7% and 41 IBUs. Now, Rouge Ales is the only brewery in the country that hand makes their own oak barrels. Being a distillery helps. The barrels used to age this stout for 9 months were once used to age their dead guy whiskey. Not quite jet black, coffee black. And that beautiful burnt caramel thin ring around the edge. Whiskey, dark chocolate, vanilla, caramel, a hint of coffee and some smoke. Bourbon and dark chocolate out front and nicely balanced. Rich roasted malts add depth and great flavor to the bill. It is full-bodied, but after sleeping in oak for 9 months, I expected a little more viscosity. But it is a great mouthfeel nonetheless. The oak aging did do its trick though, and produced some nice vanilla nuances. Oak tannins and a little bit of smoke on the finish. Hint of coffee. Touch of caramel too. The 13.7 ABV is well hidden too, but you do get that much appreciated little boozy essence on every sip. What more can you ask for? Bourbon, dark chocolate, vanilla, caramel, oak, and all those other flavors you want in a quality produced barrel-aged stout. Good stuff here. Thank you for joining me on the Upside Down Beer Guy, where I flip for beer. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Until next time, cheers, my fellow Xystophiles.